Vagus nerve, which is the 10th cranial nerve, one is the most important and effective parts of our nervous system. Actually, vagus nerve, which is called the wandering nerve, which is wandered from our head and brain to different parts of our body, and has connections and relationships with our heart, with our lungs and digestive system. Has effective and vital role in the actions and reactions of some effective and vital organs of our body, such as heart, lungs, and digestive systems. Actually, the vagus nerve has two branches in two parts, left and right vagus nerve, but it called and consider it as a singular branch of nerve, which is the 10th cranial nerve. As we see in this photos, it starts from our head and brain and continues wandering to our heart here, and also digestive system and our lungs. And actually, vagus nerve has a very important role in controlling heartbeats and heart rate variability, and also in our respiratory system and breathing, thinking, brain, and also in our digestive systems. And also it has some important effects on some other actions like swallowing, sneezing, coughing, and some other activities which belongs to our daily lives. And it's very important to keep healthy our vagus nerve and improve the effectiveness and the activity of our vagus nerve throughout some particular practices, and also consider the weakness of vagus nerve, which is very important part of our nervous system in our body, through the consideration of some actions and reactions. When we feel some abdominal belly pain or pain in our stomach, when we feel laziness, we cannot swallow things, or we can see some problems in our voice, and some other problems, or maybe acid reflux or such kind of things, or the signs of problems in our vagus nerve. And we can improve the actions and reactions and effectiveness of our vagus nerves through taking deep breath. Actually, deep breath is a very good situation in strategy and practice for overall well-being, and becoming overcoming all probable internal challenges. And also through taking our knees against our chest for at least 1 minute, and also closing our nose, and also closing our mouth, and taking out the air, and making some press or some things to our the active processes, the activity processes on the way of our vagus nerve. That's why we have to be aware of the importance of our vagus nerve. And actually, vagus nerve is also, besides its vital role in heartbeat and our lungs activities or respiration and taking breath and digestive system, it is one of the main channels and pipelines for exchange of information between our heart and brain. Actually, in the process of sending information from our heart to our brain through afferent or ascending channel, vagus nerve plays an important role. And also we have to know that our heart and brain has mutual actions and reactions. Most information sends from heart to brain, and about just 20% of information comes from our brain to our heart. And heart and brain has mutual actions and reactions for relationships, and our autonomic nervous system and our vagus nerve play important role in this connection and mutual interactions. And also our vagus nerve affects the actions and reactions of both branches of our autonomic nervous system, which are sympathetic and parasympathetic. It decreases the responses and actions of sympathetic, and increases and helps actions and reactions of parasympathetic. And actually It means that vagus nerve and vagus actions and activities have important role on our internal coherence, overall well-being, and the increase of our heart rate variability, and also good process and good situation on our heartbeat, respiration, and digestion system, which are vital actions of our health, our body, and our life. That's why we have to be aware of vagus nerve. We have to know the importance of vagus nerve, and we have to try our best to improve the activities and effectiveness of vagus nerve. I'm Dr. Sarwari. If you think such videos and information are helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.